Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I will be showing you a couple of recipes that I made along the way in this week. These are few of my family favorites, so I'll show you how to make them. Let's get started. I'll start off by showing you how to make this fried anchovies, or you call it hambello in Sinhala in Sri Lanka. Now I went ahead and started cleaning the fish. Now to clean off the fish, you have to first remove the heads and then make sure all the nasty impurities are removed from the inside of the fish. And then once that is done, I went ahead and added some turmeric and some salt and made sure I washed the fish really thoroughly. Once that was done, I went ahead and started making the batter. To make the batter to a bowl, I added some chili powder, salt, pepper, corn flour and some all-purpose flour. The details of the ingredients are listed at the beginning of the recipe. You can check that out for quantities. Then mix it very well and add some water. Now don't add too much water because if the batter becomes too thin, the batter will not stick to the fish. Mix the fish thoroughly and leave it aside for about 10 to 20 minutes. After that, I went ahead and started frying the fish. Now the oil for the fish should not be too hot. It should be medium to low heat, because if the oil is too hot, the fish is going to fry really fast and then you're not going to have that crunchiness. And that's it, your fried anchovies or your fried hambellos are ready. Make sure to eat them while they are hot so that they will taste crispy. Next, I will show you how to make these crispy dinner rolls. Now these dinner rolls are really crispy on the outside and really soft in the inside, like the typical Sri Lankan bread. Now, as I said before, you can go ahead and check the quantities for the ingredients at the beginning of the recipe. Now for this recipe, I used active yeast. For this, you need to first add the yeast into warm water. Now the water needs to be quite warm, not lukewarm. I suggest it be a little bit more warmer than lukewarm. You will need warm milk as well. You can go ahead and add the milk and the egg and the sugar to the machine. Now you don't need a machine like this necessarily to make the recipe. You can go ahead and make this recipe by hand, but just make sure that you follow the instructions and then knead the dough at the end for about 10 to 15 minutes. That's the only difference, but the results of the recipe will be the same. You will need melted butter. Add this to the milk and sugar and egg mixture. Along with that, you can go ahead and add the yeast mixture which was resting on the side, and then go ahead and add the all-purpose flour little by little. Don't add them all together, and knead very well. Once everything is well combined, form the dough into a ball. And leave it aside to rest till it doubles in size. That will take around 3 to 4 hours usually. You can go ahead and oil the baking tray with coconut oil. Once it has doubled in size, go ahead and form small balls. Let these rest for about 1 hour till it again doubles in size, like this. Once these double in size, you can go ahead and apply some melted butter on top of it. And then all you need to do is bake these at around 180 degrees for about 15 to 20 minutes. And there you go, your crispy dinner rolls are ready. Trust me, these are really crispy. I'll show you how crispy they are. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed watching my video, and if you did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. So until next time, take care, and Ayubowan from Sri Lanka.